What's going on, guys? It's your boy Singh out here with another banger video. I just wanted to say I appreciate the response I've been getting on all of my previous videos, and I'm sorry that I haven't been posting as consistently as I used to. I decided to take a break. I didn't announce it on YouTube, but I decided to take a break. I felt that my videos weren't going in the direction that I wanted them to go. I didn't feel fulfilled making the videos that I was making. You guys seem to enjoy the series that I was doing before, which is asking the public questions. But I think it's time for me now to answer all the questions that I've been asking on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to smash the like button before I continue this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thanks. The first question I asked was, what's the biggest lie that I've told my parents? I don't think I've told my parents any significant lie other than probably I don't think I've told my parents any significant lies like that or any big lies like that, because me and my parents are close, especially my mom. I tell her almost everything, obviously not everything, but I tell her almost everything. So I really don't think that there's a lie that I told my mom that I could even tell you guys, to be honest. You see, me and my mom have a really close brother-sister type relationship. And yeah, I appreciate you, mom. Thanks for supporting me in everything that I do, and I appreciate you to the max, no joke. What's the most hurtful thing someone has told me? I'm thinking about it. The most hurtful thing someone has told me is that I'm inconsiderate, and I'm not I don't think I'm an inconsiderate person, but it hurt me because of the person who said it to me. It's somebody who I did a lot for, and it's somebody who I went out of my way for a lot to, get stuff done, make sure that they're always okay. So for them to tell me that I'm inconsiderate, it really came me close. So I think that's the most hurtful thing I've ever, someone has ever told me. Other than that, nothing really. You guys may think that somebody telling me that I'm short would hurt me, but it really doesn't. I'm not insecure about my height. I've always accepted it because I was short for a long time. So it never really bothered me if someone was like, oh, yo, you're short, or yo, you see me? I think my personality makes up for it as well. So my height isn't a problem. What are 3 things you want to achieve before you die? 3 things I'd want to achieve before I die. 1, I'd want to travel the universe. I wouldn't really want to travel the world. Everybody wants to go to Europe and whatever, but I think I want to explore the universe rather than exploring where we are now. I think there's so much more to see out there. I'd want to travel the world as well, but beyond that, I want to travel the universe, you know what I mean? Secondly, before I die, I'd like to change the lives of kids, specifically kids who may not have it. I'd like to develop an agency where I bring in these kids from a very young age and put them through school, put them through college, in order to bring them out to the situation that they're in now. I think a lot of these kids really deserve the basic stuff that we probably take for granted, like education, for example. I really think that pushing them through the system and making sure that they're able to come out of the situation as well as to bring their family out of the situation, I think that's something really valuable that I want to focus on. Thirdly, I'd also want to create generational wealth for my kids and my little brother. My little brother means the world to me, so I'd want to make sure that he's able to live a lifestyle that I wasn't able to live, as well as I want my kids to live a lifestyle that I wasn't able to live as well. So really, I just want to make sure that everyone just levels up. I don't want to stay on the same level, and I wouldn't want my family to stay at the same level as well. So that's something that I'll definitely do. What was the best day of my life? That's actually a hard question. I don't really know. I have so many great days. Alright, the best day of my life was when I was 7 or 8 or 9. I was really young when I was a kid. I went to New York and I went to Times Square with my grandma, and I went shopping, and I bought anything that I wanted. I got my skateboard that I still have that skateboard. I bought a lot of toys, really and truly. That was the greatest day. Me and my grandma and my aunt, we went to the arcade, we went to all the stores, we went to Toys R Us, we went to everything. And if you know Times Square Toys R Us, it's different. It's the big Toys R Us, and they have things flying all over the place. It's really sick. I think that would be the best day of my life. It was just a really great day. I appreciate my grandma for that day, and I appreciate my aunt for that as well. Yeah. Oh, and my grandma is my second or third favorite person in the world after my brother and my mother. So grandma, big up yourself if you're seeing this right now. Love you. Alright, next question. What were you like as a kid? As a kid, I would say I was really spoiled. I got almost everything I wanted, from games to toys to whatever it was, clothes. I think I was a mature kid, to be honest, because I was by myself most of the time. After school, I'd go over my grandma's house, and it would just be me, my grandparents, and my aunt at the time. And the house was big, so I kind of stuck to the computer room by myself. I started drawing. I was very creative as well. I was into drawing, I was into music, I was into everything. I used to burn CDs and stuff like that. But yeah, I was given the space and the freedom to basically do what I want to do after school. And I think that kind of forced me to be more mature. And because I was on the internet a lot, I saw a lot of things, read a lot of things. But otherwise, I don't think I gave much trouble based on what my mom tells me. I wasn't really a troublemaker child. I always liked my own space. So when I was at home, I wouldn't always want friends over. I'd play outside, but I wouldn't play outside too much. But I always wanted to try new things when I was younger as well. And I was very adventurous. I had a bicycle and skateboards and stuff. And like, my knees kind of mash up right now. Like, no joke. Like, I have so much scars from when I was younger. It's crazy. That's what I was like as a kid. I don't think I was that much of a troublemaker. So yeah, if time and money weren't an issue, what are 3 things that you would do? I think this boils back down to what do I want to achieve most in life before I die. As I said, I want to travel. I would want to travel the universe. I think time is like the biggest issue in that, in terms of traveling. If you can live forever, then you can get anywhere you want, basically, if you think about it. I would want to open different charitable institutions like wildlife care, education, maybe food for the poor. I think charities are great, to be honest. It enables people who are less fortunate or people who are unable to attain certain things. It gives them the opportunity to get it. Education and food are basic needs that not everybody has access to. So I think it would be good to be a supplier of that to the people who can't get it. And third, I'd want to spoil my family. I'd want to spoil my grandma, my aunt, my mom, my dad, everybody who has been there for me, and the people who spoiled me as well. Because as I said, as a kid, I was spoiled. So I mean, I really want to spoil back those people, the people who got me to the place that I am now, and the people that I love. So the third thing is really just, if time and money weren't an issue, I'd just spoil everybody who has helped me to reach to the point where I am today. And that was the last question. If you guys have any more questions that you want to ask me or you want me to answer in another video, drop a comment down. That's it for the questions. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. It would really help the channel. I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers, so share with a friend and ask them to subscribe and tell them to like the video as well. If there are any questions that you want to ask me, shoot them in the comments below and I'll answer them in another video. And if you have video suggestions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll take them into consideration. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you for being here right now and spending the time with me, and we'll see you next time.